On September 28, 2022, Hurricane Ian struck the west coast of Florida, causing significant and widespread damage, including the destruction of the Sanibel Causeway. Access to the Florida mainland had been cut off, leaving over 6,000 residents of Sanibel and Captiva Islands stranded. Within days, the Florida Department of Transportation awarded an emergency repair contract to a joint venture of 2 contractors. These contractors were tasked with overwater repairs to the 3-mile-long structure and had to post a guarantee in the form of a performance and payment bond that they would complete the job and pay the hundreds of subcontractors, vendors, and suppliers that would work around the clock to complete this monumental task. Travelers wrote that surety bond. Service, expertise, relationships. Travelers' underwriting and service expertise, as well as our long-standing relationships with the contractors, allowed us to bond the project quickly.
As of today, the Sanibel Causeway is open.
Work on the Sanibel Causeway was completed 2 weeks ahead of schedule, allowing a convoy of more than 350 utility vehicles to safely cross over the bridge and deliver emergency repairs to help restore, rebuild, and bring families back home. When the most difficult of challenges arise, contractors can trust travelers to respond.